Hello everyone, welcome back to my 75 days English speaking challenge. Today we will talk about medical specialists. There are many medical specialists who treats different kinds of diseases. The same doctor don't treat all the patients. Just like in schools we have different teachers for different subjects. There are doctors for different diseases, different kinds of health disorders. There are different doctors. Just like first is a gynecologist. Gynecologist is a doctor who treats women reproductive health. For women, a doctor for women health. A pediatrician is a doctor who treats child specialist is a pediatrician. If you have children and they have some disorders or any problem, health related problem, you will visit a pediatrician. Dermatologist is a skin specialist. Is a dermatologist. If you have acne, if you have rashes on your skin, if you have any kind of skin related problem, you will visit dermatologist. Second, and another doctor is a cardiologist. Cardiologist is a doctor who treats heart related problems. A heart specialist is called cardiologist. Heart specialist is a cardiologist. Another doctor is neurologist. Neurologist is a doctor who treats brain and nervous system. If you have any kind of brain related disorder or problem, you will visit a neurologist. Another doctor is a psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a doctor who treats emotional and mental problems. If you have emotional suffering, emotional disease, mental disease, you will visit a psychiatrist. Another doctor is an ophthalmologist. An ophthalmologist is a doctor who treats eye related problems. If you have problem in your eyes, if you have vision disorder, if you can't see, if you have any problem related to your eyes, you will visit an ophthalmologist. Eye specialist is an ophthalmologist. Another doctor is a dentist. For your teeth, if you have teeth related problem, if you have any kind of teeth related disorders, you will visit a dentist. Another doctor is here an orthopedist. If you have bones related problems and joint related problems, if someone's leg or hand breaks, so they visit an orthopedist. Bones and joint. If you have joint and bones related problem, we will visit a orthopedist. So there are different types of doctors, just like we have different subject teachers. For maths there is a different teacher, for science, for Hindi, for English there are special teachers. Just like for different kinds of diseases, for different kinds of health related problems, we have different doctors. So this is the list of doctors. I hope you understand well. See you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.